Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. Happy Mask Monday and happy New Year. It's 2024. I'll never believe it. I'll never believe it until I can start writing it properly. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna start my mask, and then I've got some friend mail to show you. This is the mask that I'm doing, and this I also have on my eyes. I'll show you that in a minute. This is let me get this started, and then I'll tell you more about it. I won this mask and these eye gels from Pia. And Pia's channel is Makeup by Pia W, and I'll put her below. She's a beautiful lady, and she does all kinds of colorful, beautiful eye makeup. And she's just, she's overseas, and she's just a lovely, lovely person. I really like her. So this, I wasn't sure. This is a character mask, and I didn't do a mask for Christmas, so I'm doing it now. Because this is a Christmas mask. I will put it on and then I'll tell you more about it. Let me, my headband's a little bit low. She sent me the cutest mask. The cat mask that I did a while ago, it was Puss in Boots, was just phenomenal. And this one is very similar in that it has these eyes, and then there's my eyes. Oh, it's so cold. Here comes Blue. Here comes Blue. I'm warm in my house, but come on through, Blue, because I don't need all your fur on me. Come on through. Go on through. Go on through. Oh, goodness gracious, Blue. Let me get this on, please. Sit, sit, sit. There is the, oh, this is nice. It's like once it landed right there, it feels like it's fitting properly. So it is by the brand SENCE. I think that might have been the same brand as the Puss in Boots. Possibly. Well, this is a little turned in. There we go. There we go. So this is a toy soldier, like a nutcracker. It's, oh, here. I've got my headbands a little in the way there. Push that up again. So that might pop off my head there. So let's see. It says SENCE. It says, I am nuts about you. Thank you, Pia. I love it. It's really cute. It's another cute one. And let me see if I can find on the back. It's, oh my goodness, the tiny, tiny letters. There's all kinds of lettering on the back, and I don't see what it says. Oh, time-wise. 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. And then also from Pia were the Grace and Stella, the gold eye masks that I had on are the Grace and Stella. So thank you so much, Pia. I love them. I love them. I love it. I love, you all know I love sheet masks, and I'm very happy to have this. It feels really good. It's very, it's fitting pretty well. I'm looking for my roller, and you know, nothing is where it's supposed to be. Here's one. Here's the black roller that I have, just to get that nice and even. And then I do have some cards, and some of these might have come right before Christmas, but some of them were delayed. You know how the mail is at Christmas time. It's no big deal to me. I just like receiving them, whether they're, you know, it doesn't matter to me if they're not on time. So I just if you waited on me for Christmas cards, it would be July, honestly. So I have a thank you card. It's a postcard from Janet, and Janet's just the sweetest. She just thanks you for being you. Thank you, Janet. I love you. She's so sweet. She's just the sweetest. Miss Janet is. That is Janet in Colorado, and I'm sure that well, I shouldn't say I'm sure. I would assume they had snow. I don't know. Did you have snow where you are? I did not have snow. In fact, it's been balmy. You know, like we've had some cold overnight, in the 20s overnight here and there, 30s overnight, but mostly it has been in the 50s-ish is around what we are. So now this week we're going to have in the 40s. This I got from Robin Sadowski. I'm not going in any kind of order. I'm just, you know, taking them off the pile. I did cut them all open. Robin Sadowski has a channel, and I will put her below. Robin is just a lovely lady, and I've known Robin a long time. Pretty much since I started my channel, I'm thinking. And Robin does different hauls, and she does crafting and things like that too. And she does Mask Monday as well. And I should tell you also about, before I go, Just Janet does not have a channel that I got the thank you card from. Pia, who makeup by Pia W. I'll put her below as well, of course. And she does beautiful makeup, beautiful get ready with me's. She does some unboxings and things as well. And she does a lot of different things on her channel. And she does beautiful makeup, beautiful, colorful, beautiful makeup. So this is from, this card now is from Robin Sadowski. Whoops, things are falling out of it. Okay, it says, known for the holidays. This is really cute. It's a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, my friend. God bless, Robin Sadowski. Thank you, Robin. And there is this cute sticker inside with the dog and the puppies with Santa and a kitty on his shoulder. Or maybe over here. Here's the kitty. That's a book. With Santa. How cute is that? Thank you, Robin. And she sent me a today's prayer card. This is, the Lord has done great things for us, and we are filled with joy. Thank you so much, Robin. I love getting those cards. And then she also sent me some cute stickers. Merry Christmas. And there's Santa. There's cute Santa. And then Santa with some of the reindeers. Thank you, Robin. That's so sweet of you to send me that. I appreciate that. And next up, it's just I don't know who it's from because it doesn't say. So let me see. Like I said, I cut it open. Pretty envelope. Oh, okay. It's from Erica and Sherry. And whoops, did I just hit that? Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. They have a channel, and I'll put them below. This is a cute card. Let me show it to you right quick, and then I'll read it. I love snowmen. It says, Merry everything and happy always. Smiles to you and yours this Christmas. Mary Catherine, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a healthy, Happy New Year. Stay wicked. With love, your friends Erica and Sherry. You know, I didn't, when I first met Erica and Sherry, I didn't know what that meant about Wicked Awesome. But in the Boston area where they are, that's like a saying. You know, like some areas have sayings. And I think it just means like really cool, wicked awesome. That's wicked awesome, you know, like that. So thank you, ladies. Appreciate that. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year and health and happiness to everybody. Most definitely. I wish that for everybody. And then I have a card from Reviews with Sue. And that's this one. Oh, look at that cute snowman on the back. Cute, cute. Oh, this is pretty. Star, it says star on it. And it says, Mary, wishing you a season that's star bright with happiness. Hi, Mary, so grateful for our friendship. Hope you have a wonderful holiday. Love you, Sue. Reviews with Sue. Thank you so much, Sue. That is so sweet of you to send me a card. And it's a beautiful card, and I am grateful for your friendship as well. Most definitely. Next, I have a card from the lovely Kim. This is Kim Formiglia, which is Kim's A Little of a Lot. And I will put her below as well. Kim's A Little of a Lot. I love her channel name. It's just a lot of fun. She does all kinds of things. She does unboxings and product reviews and Mask Mondays. And she's just been very busy around Christmas time. And she's done some advent calendars and things like that. She has a great channel. And again, anyone with a channel, I will put them below so that you can go check them out. Did I say, you know, I get ahead of myself. I'm so sorry. Wicked Awesome ladies, they do a live Mask Monday. Most every Monday. They have busy lives like we all do, so sometimes they can't do it. They do unboxings, and they do collabs and things like that as well. And I've known those ladies for a long time as well. I feel like did I miss saying, oh my goodness, y'all, I'm upset. I need to start over is what I need to do, but I can't because I already put on my mask. Okay, I'm so sorry, y'all. Reviews with Sue. I didn't mean to run over everybody. I don't know what's going on in my house, but I feel like I've been run over. Okay. Reviews with Sue. Reviews with Sue is a lovely, lovely channel. I've known Reviews with Sue since before I started my channel. She does unboxings and reviews, and she has a big channel, and she is so down to earth. She's real. She's never gotten a big head about it. She just is a real lady, and she does great unboxings, and I will put her below, of course, as well, for you to go find her. And I apologize for running so fast through things. This is a beautiful card from Kim. Look how pretty that is. The pine cones and everything, I love it. Joyful blessings at Christmas. Dear Mary and Kitties, wishing you warm hearts, together times, and God's goodness in everything. May your heart be lifted in praise this Christmas for the wonderful gift of Jesus and the joy he brings to our lives. XO Kim. Kim's a little of a lot. Thank you so much, Kim. That's beautiful. Good news of great joy for everyone. Beautiful card, Kim. I love it. Thank you so much. And I also wanted to tell y'all, if you might have noticed, I'm in my pajamas. And I have heard so many times how you start your new year is how your year's going to go. So I am relaxing and I'm taking care of myself. So I want that to be how my new year goes. I want to be able to relax and to take care of myself. And then I have a card from Brenda, and Brenda has a channel, Simply Brenda, and she took a little time off around the holidays, so I hope that she's coming back soon. And this is really cute. Special delivery just for you, it says. And she has some cute stickers on the front, but also our addresses are on the front. So this came from Canada. And I will, let me fold this because I want to show you I want to show you this beautiful stamp because Brenda's in Canada. So she sent that. There's the Canadian stamp. Look at that pretty sticker. I can't show you the rest because I just did that and showed our addresses. So I will snip that part out. So this card is from Brenda. And, oh, this is a birthday. I'll show it to you right quick. What a pretty card. Thank you, Brenda. It says, it's your day. Forget the bills, forget the news, forget the phone, forget your shoes, forget your list of things to do, and just be very good to you. Hope your birthday's perfect in every way. Thank you, Brenda. It says, Mary, happy birthday, wishing you nothing but the best for the year ahead. Thank you for making my world a little brighter. Thanks for being you. Best wishes, love and hugs, Brenda XOXO. Thank you so much, Brenda. That's so sweet. What a pretty card. That's a beautiful card. Thank you so much, Brenda. You're so sweet. I hope you'll be back in January. I hope you will. And so Brenda's channel, she does a lot of, she's in Canada. So she does a lot of unboxings, and she does do Mask Mondays. She sells Scentsy. Or now, I know that she used to sell Scentsy. I'm not sure that she still does, but I think she does. So she shows us Scentsy videos. I love Scentsy. If you don't know what Scentsy is, you know, it's the wax warmers, the warmers and the waxes, and they have a full line of other products, like for your laundry and for all kinds of things. So go check her out. I'll put her below as well. And let's see, I have one card left. And this is from a subscriber, Lori Daniel. And the cats are making so much noise, y'all. And this is a little bit thick, this card. This is a shoebox card. And there's some things in here. Let me see. It says, all the kittens forever. How cute is that, Lori? Thank you. All the kittens forever. I'm telling you, I'd have a kitten shelter if I could do it. Camille, could you calm down? She can't calm down. My birthday wish for you. Thanks for your friendship. I love you so much for all your help. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. Pray your channel keeps growing. Thank you so much, Lori. Love and peace always, Lori. Thank you, Lori. You're so sweet. And she sent me some goodies here. Well, there is a today's prayer card in here. It says, when I am afraid, I put my trust in you. That's a great one. And then there are some little jewelry things in here. So let me see. Camille, what? You know, she usually has something important that she shouldn't have, that she shoots around the house. And then I can't find it. And then eventually I'll find it under the couch or something. She sent me some earrings, Lori did. Now hang on, because they're super cute. There's two different pairs. They're wrapped up really well. Okay. Oh, this is, oh, is this cute? This looks like from the Aristocats. You know, it might not be, but how cute are these? Are lucite, I would say. Look how cute that is. Marie, isn't that her name, the little cat? I'm bad about that. I don't know enough about that cartoon. That's a Disney cartoon, the Aristocats. I'm trying to hold it steady so I could show you, but I'm not doing a great job. Look at how cute those are. Thank you, Lori. They're adorable. I love them. Super cute. And then there's another pair. Thank you, Lori, for thinking of me. That's so sweet of you to do that. These are, whoops, uh-oh. They just, all right, this fell apart, but I think I can fix it. It's because of the, they got knocked around in the mail, but I'll be able to, I think I can fix that. There we go. See, I put it back on the, let me show you. This one's on the card still. These are like little cats with rhinestones. How cute is that? And it's got a nice French hook. Thank you, Lori. These are really pretty. Am I too close? Hey, Smudge. Smudge came up. Here's the other one. It had just, the cat fell off of it, so I just hooked it back on. Thank you, Lori. That's so sweet of you. Thank you to everybody that sent me these beautiful cards, and I really appreciate it. And I, see right there, I'm relaxing, I'm taking care of myself, and I have friends all around me, y'all. So this is how I want my year to go, and I hope that the same is true for you. If you are alone today and by yourself, just know I'm here with you. So I am here with you. I'm your friend. You're my friend, and I love that you're here. So thank you so much for stopping by, y'all. Happy New Year. And if you are celebrating today, be careful, whatever you do, and eat some good food and take care of yourself, y'all. And I'll see you tomorrow. All right, take care, y'all. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.